Well, welcome back, Acadiana. We have potential tropical cyclone 19 that's in the southern or southwestern Caribbean right now with sustained winds at 30 miles per hour. Now let's head over to the green screen to get a look at the track it'll have here in the upcoming days. It does remain a low pressure system with sustained winds at 35 miles per hour, and to be considered a tropical storm, the system would need 39 miles per hour or higher to be considered that tropical storm, and we're likely to have that 18th named storm, which is Sarah, here by Thursday evening. Now it does meander around Honduras for a few days before it makes its track towards the northwest as a tropical storm, and it's likely to move into the Gulf. With systems pushing through Louisiana, that system should stay at bay from our area, but with the Euro model, we see that moisture, that system pushing off towards the eastern Gulf, impacting parts of Cuba, Florida, but that won't be until next week. So it's still something to keep an eye out for if this does change by the time we reach the end of the week, going into the weekend, with more models becoming or get into better agreement. So that next name will be Sarah on the list. We still have Tony, Valerie, and William on the hurricane list, the original hurricane list for this 2024 hurricane season. But the season is not over yet. The last day is on November 30th, so we still have about 2 weeks. But even then, we can still have some systems after the last day of the hurricane season going into December and possibly January. The waters are still very warm in the Caribbean. Now in the Gulf, it is a little bit cooler, and with multiple systems passing through, tropical activity does decrease drastically during the winter months. But it was very active this morning. We had a lot of rainfall pushed through, especially here in Lafayette, between 6 to 7 inches right there in downtown, even surrounding the areas between 3 to 5 inches of rainfall. Even far north into St. Landry Parish, they had between 4 to 6 inches of rainfall. So it was multiple flash flooding reports, especially around the Ambassador Caffrey Road. It was a lot of water on the roadway, even some stalled vehicles there. And now we are staying pretty dry for the rest of tonight. We got that dry air pushing in, so we'll see a drop in dew points, some breezy conditions as well going into Thursday. And those dew points remaining in the 50s and 40s for the next couple of days. But sadly, we'll see those dew points rise again going into the weekend and the start of next week, especially as we track that next cold front that'll bring us some much colder temperatures ahead for the end of next week. But as far as rain chances, we won't be having much in the way of rainfall the next couple of days, and they'll give us a chance to dry out, especially with rainfall from earlier today. But next week, we'll see that rainfall push through on Tuesday as a cold front is expected to come in. So for tonight, staying pretty cool and breezy with temperatures on the cool side in the mid-50s. And then for tomorrow, we'll have sunny skies across the board, seasonable temperatures in those low 70s, and those wind speeds about 8 to 14 miles per hour coming out of the north. So with that 10-day forecast, sunny skies for both Thursday and Friday, temperatures mostly in the 70s, and for this weekend, staying pretty nice as well in the mid-70s, low 80s. And then for Tuesday, we do have that cold front, but check out those temperatures next week, dropping into the upper 30s. So this will be very cold coming up for next week, but stay tuned and we'll have another look at this 10-day forecast coming up.